National Weather Service has issued Winter Storm Watch number 39 effective until January 16th at 9:30 p.m. for the following counties in Maine: Oxford, Franklin, Somerset, Cumberland, Lincoln, at 3:34 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. A possible heavy winter storm has been predicted for the areas affected. The storm may have snowfall amounts of up to 5 inches. What? A possible winter storm with snowfall amounts up to 5 inches. Where? Oxford, Franklin, Somerset, Cumberland, Lincoln counties in Maine. Source: radar. The storm is expected to move into South Maine January 15. Moderate to heavy snow is expected with this storm. The National Weather Service in Maine has issued a winter storm warning for the following counties in Maine: Oxford, Franklin, Somerset, Cumberland, Lincoln, Knox, Hancock, effective until 6:55 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 4:25 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, a strong winter storm with snowfall amounts of up to 5 inches has been spotted moving northeast at 15 miles per hour towards southern Maine. What? Moderate to heavy snowfall amounts of up to 7 inches possible. Where? Southern counties of Maine. Source: radar. This storm is expected to move into Maine tomorrow and expected to strengthen as it moves north through Maine. Roads may become icy during the storm. Portland cold and 12. The wind was 50. The National Weather Service has issued Blizzard Watch number 3 for the following counties in Maine: Oxford, Franklin, Somerset, Cumberland, Lincoln, Knox, Hancock, Kennebec, York, Saginaw, Androscoggin, and Waldo, effective until 8:30 p.m. January 22, 2025, at 11:53 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. A strong winter storm moving into southern Maine, along with high wind gusts predicted of up to 50 miles per hour for the next 2 to 3 days along with the storm. If the winter storm's wind continues to increase as it moves towards Maine, a blizzard warning will be issued. Keep a news outlet or know a weather radio nearby if warnings should be issued. This is No All Hazards Radio. Your normal programming has been suspended due to severe weather in the listening area. The local time is currently 3:53 p.m. 3 p.m. updates on the winter storm moving towards Maine. The storm is now beginning to move into the south of Maine at speeds of 20 miles per hour. With current snowfall rates of 6 to 7 inches currently being recorded in the storm, winds are currently recorded at 28 miles per hour with gusts of up to 38. If the winds reach 35 miles an hour, blizzard warnings will be issued. If blizzard warnings are issued, do not leave your home. Do not attempt to drive, as roads may be extremely icy and you may crash. If it is absolutely necessary that you need to travel, bring a survival kit with a battery-powered flashlight and radio, canned food rations in case you get stuck and rescuers are unable to reach you. Power outages are likely with this storm if snowfall is strong enough. Emergency update: a blizzard warning is about to be issued. Please stay tuned and listen to this emergency broadcast. The National Weather Service in Maine has issued a blizzard warning for the following areas: all of southern Maine. At 4:01 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, a very powerful winter storm was spotted with winds up to 41 miles per hour and gusts up to 56. This is a particularly dangerous situation. All radio stations in the area are transmitting this message: do not leave your home unless evacuating. What? Powerful winter storm with snowfall amounts of up to 12 inches. Where? All of southern Maine. Source: radar indicated heavy snow and high wind. Do not leave your shelter under any circumstance. If you attempt to travel, you might be trapped and unable to escape, and rescue services may be unable to reach you under heavy snow. Temperatures of under -10 are likely with this storm. If caught in sub-zero temperatures, frostbite is likely. If frostbite occurs, you may need to have surgery on affected areas.